In the digital age, computer literacy is no longer optional. It's an essential skill akin to reading and writing. As we weave our way through the digital landscape, the influence of computers is undeniable. From education to employment, from connecting with friends to catching a movie, computers play a pivotal role. Mastering this digital tool opens up a world of possibilities, transforming the way we learn, work, and play. Embarking on a journey to computer literacy can be a rewarding experience, opening doors to countless opportunities. Every journey begins with a single step. In your journey towards computer literacy, that step is understanding the basics. Let's start by breaking down the core components of a computer. There's the brain, or CPU, the memory, or RAM, and the storage where your data resides. Then we have the basic terms to get familiar with, such as software, which are the programs running on your computer, and hardware, the physical parts you can touch. Next, we move to operating systems. Think of them as the bridge between you and the computer's hardware. They come in different flavors like Windows, macOS, or Linux. Getting comfortable with navigating the user interface, managing files, and tweaking settings is crucial. Then, we dive into file management and internet basics. Understanding how to create, organize, and manage files as well as how to browse the web and perform online searches is fundamental. Email and communication tools also play a significant role, from setting up an email account to using instant messaging and video conferencing. Lastly, we have basic software skills. Getting a grasp on common applications like word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation software can significantly boost your productivity. Mastering these basics is like learning the alphabet before writing sentences. Once you have the basics under your belt, it's time to delve deeper. Now, let's explore the world of computer security. Antivirus software, firewalls, safe online practices. These are your shields in the digital world. And what about the physical side? Yes, I'm talking about hardware maintenance, such as cleaning your computer and ensuring proper ventilation. Don't forget the importance of software installation and updates. Keeping your applications current ensures they run smoothly and securely. It's also crucial to develop your digital literacy skills. Think critically about the information you encounter online and understand your digital footprint. Feeling adventurous? Dip your toes into the world of coding and scripting. Even a basic understanding of programming languages like Python or JavaScript can open up a new world of possibilities. Lastly, let's talk about customization and settings. Make your computer truly yours by personalizing it to your preferences. These skills are like tools in your toolbox, equipping you to navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Learning about computers is not a destination. It's a journey. As we venture into the future, keeping up with technological advancements and industry news becomes crucial. Online courses and forums offer a wealth of knowledge, while hands-on practice lets you apply your newfound skills. Don't shy away from advanced and specialized topics. They're opportunities for growth. Remember, the journey of computer learning is never-ending, but each step makes you more capable and confident in this digital world.